Just look at these spuds. The leaves are starting to yellow and wither, a clear sign that it's harvest time. It seems such a long time since I planted these seed potatoes back on March 18th. If you're curious to see how I got started, head over to my channel and check out my planting video. I'll leave a link at the end. Now, here we are on August 5th, ready to unearth the fruits of my labour and the rewards of choosing this fantastic main crop variety. I'm trying Sarpo Mira this year, as it's a true champion in the potato world, celebrated for its remarkable resistance to blight, a devastating disease that often plagues potato crops. But that's not all. These potatoes are also known for their incredible storage capabilities, allowing you to enjoy a fresh and flavourful harvest long after the growing season ends. For a beginner gardener like me, I'm hoping it's to be a reliable and rewarding choice. But before I can start tipping out these containers and reveal the hidden bounty, my first task is to remove all the foliage and mulch. This step is essential to get a clear view of what I'm working with and to avoid damaging any of the precious potatoes that lie beneath. Removing the mulch also ensures I can easily reuse the soil again, but that's going to be a different video. For the moment, it's a bit like unwrapping a gift, filled with anticipation and excitement for what's to come. All right, drum roll please. It's time to reveal the hidden treasure in our first container. This is the moment of truth. Well, that wasn't quite the avalanche of potatoes I was hoping for. It seems like this plant wasn't the most productive. Let's have a closer look. Maybe there are a few more hiding in here somewhere. Sometimes they like to play hide and seek. Ah, here's a few. They're a bit on the small side. But you know what? That's all right. Sometimes the smallest potatoes pack the most flavour. Let's move on to the next container and see if we strike gold there. It can only get better from here, right? Okay, on to container number 2. Fingers crossed for a better showing this time. Aha! I can already see that it's better. This is much more promising. We've got a nice variety of sizes here. A few smaller ones for stews and salads. But check out these big uns. These larger potatoes are going to be perfect for roasting or turning into chunky chips. Now we're talking. Maybe I'm finally getting the hang of this potato growing thing after all. Who knows what treasures await in the next container? Let's keep going. Another decent crop from that container. That's 3 containers down, 10 to go. This harvest is proving to be pretty successful so far. Let's fast forward a bit and see what the rest of these containers have in store for us. Whew, that took a bit of time. It's amazing how quickly these containers fill up with potatoes. As you can see, the results have been pretty impressive overall. We've got a great mix of sizes and shapes, perfect for all sorts of culinary creations. Now for the moment of truth, the official weigh-in. Let's see just how much our Sarpo Mira harvest weighs. Batch number 1 comes in at a hefty 12.5 pounds. That's a great start. Batch number 2, another 12.5 pounds. It seems we've got some consistency here. batch 3 weighs in at 9.5 pounds. A little lighter, but still a decent haul. And finally, batch number 4 adds another 8 pounds to our total. Altogether, we've harvested a whopping 42 pounds of Sarpo Mira potatoes. Not bad for my first successful attempt at growing a large crop of potatoes. But before we wrap things up, we're not done with these containers just yet. Stay tuned for an upcoming video where I'll show you how I'm reseeding and reusing this compost to plant my overwintering brassicas like cabbage, kale and Brussels sprouts. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future gardening escapades. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!